What is a noun? A noun is a word that means something. It can be a person, place, animal, thing, or event. Example of nouns: 6 person, teacher, farmer, doctor, master. Common of name of a person: doctor, engineer, artist. 7 place, school, park, zoo, house. Common name of a place: country, city, town. 8 animals: dog, cat, lion, elephant. Common name of an animal: bird, insect, dog. 19 ball, toy, pencil, book. Common name of a object: table, computer, plane. 10 event: New Year, birthday, Christmas. Birthday, wedding, graduate.
Graduation. Graduation.
Graduation.
Okay. Tapos na.
Ay, hindi ko pa ito nabasa.
Ah,
Noun.
Sa baba. Okay.
Ay, babasahin ba ito?
Oo. Events, birthday. Tapos na yun, di ba?
Tapos na.
November days. Okay na yan.